How to use a tea kettle. Use a cleaning brush to scrub off any debris, including the spout and inside. Add the appropriate amount of water for your tea type, 1 cup for black tea, 2 cups for green or oolong. Set the stove to medium-high, let water boil, then turn off the stove. Add tea leaves or a tea bag and steep for the required duration. Pour the tea into cups or a pitcher and enjoy. Clean the kettle after use, dry it properly, and store it in a dry place. Read more information by going to the link in the description.